Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I have installed the Pantograph. Unanimously, every comment I got said put it on top of the cupola, so that's where I put it. Anyway, I mounted it with a sheet metal screw, as you see. Now I was going to use a drop of epoxy, but this is actually double layered because you have to drill through the cupola and then through the top of the car itself. So 2 holes, which that screw really bites into that. It's a fairly long screw. It's coming out the other side about 1/4 of an inch. So that's actually quite solidly attached. Anyway, turn the power on and we can put this on the rail with the bumper and run it. So we have a genuine trolley, kind of. Anyway, like I said, I've run this thing 1,000% more as a trolley than I ever ran it as a gang car. And that shell literally snaps on. You can just unsnap it and you're back to a gang car. So any tin litho shell will fit. Anyway, it works. Gives me a trolley where I did not have one before. As you see, you squint your eyes a bit, it does look like a trolley. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up and thank everyone for their input on this. So I mounted it on top of the cupola. It is a Lionel, actually a standard gauge pantograph. Now it's surprising. The pantographs I looked at they seemed much too small. The nice thing about this one is it was photographed on a graph, which showed you exactly how big it was. And using those figures, it looks like it's just about right for this trolley, as you see. So it was, I don't know, $2, $2.95, something like that, but $5 to ship it, which is just absolutely ridiculous. And that's the main reason I don't buy parts from a part supplier. They are just ridiculously expensive. The parts themselves may not be, but the shipping always is. I mean, how do they justify $5 to ship this to me in an envelope? In any case, that's why I always buy junk locomotives and strip them for parts. It's a lot cheaper. So in any case, it's up and running. It is indeed a certified trolley now. It has a pantograph on it. And a trolley, of course, can at least justify going back and forth. So I'm happy with it. It was easy to do. It was cheap, almost free. It cost more for the pantograph than it did for almost anything else. So in any case, just a quick video. Thanks again for all the input on where to mount the pantograph. As you see, it's up and running. We have a trolley. So as always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.